looking for the ultimate security for your cryptocurrencies? Look no further. Welcome to Unocoins Paper Wallet Service, your fortress for safeguarding your digital assets. With Unocoins Paper Wallet Service, you can securely store your bitcoins and other cryptocurrencies offline, away from the prying eyes of hackers and online threats. The benefits don't stop there. With Unocoins Paper Wallet Service, you will enjoy ironclad security. Your private keys will never touch the internet, ensuring maximum protection against cyber threats. Easy access. Redeem your cryptocurrencies whenever you like just by scanning the QR code on your paper wallet. Peace of mind. Say goodbye to the worries about your digital assets being vulnerable to online hacks and thefts. But don't just take our word for it. Our satisfied users have already experienced the confidence and the peace of mind that comes with Unocoins Paper Wallet Service. So let's see how can you fortify your crypto holdings. First, log into Unocoins app. Click on the settings from the bottom right corner and then scroll down. Select Paper Wallet from Wallet Utilities. Read the instructions very carefully that are given on the screen. Then click on Generate Address. Do not forget to print your keys, otherwise you won't be able to access your funds. So what are you waiting for? Download the Unocoin app now and secure your assets, because your keys to a secure future are just a click away.